How to install app in laptop in a best manner. So open your laptop and log into your user account and click on the start icon and then go to Microsoft Store. Once you click on Microsoft Store, it will open up like this and you need to wait for a while and it will load up for you. So once it is loaded, from here you will find top free apps. So I can see I can install WhatsApp in my laptop, I can install Instagram, I can install Telegram, Netflix, Spotify, VLC. So these are free and popular apps, and you can always click here in the left hand side and then you can find the best selling apps, the top free apps like this. You can always search apps and games from here, and you can always click on filter, and then you can select top free, top paid, best rated, like that, and then you can sort it out and you can install it. Alright, so let's say if you want PDF merger and splitter like that and you want to learn English words, you can download the app in your laptop. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.